Good afternoon, students. How are you all? I hope you all are good. Welcome back to mathematics class. All of you on your videos and sit properly. Take out the textbook and running notes. Okay, in yesterday's class, we discussed about fractions. Fraction, 5th unit completed. Yes, children? Okay. In today's class, I'm going to explain 6th unit decimals. This decimals is new topic for you. Okay, listen carefully. All of you. Sit properly on your videos and sit right. Decimals. Okay, what is decimal? Okay. First, what is the meaning of decimal? Before the topic, we know already what is fraction. How to write fraction? What is numerator? What is denominator? Fraction addition, fraction subtraction. You know already. How to write fraction as you know. For example, how to write this fraction? Say children, say anybody. How to write this fraction? What is the fraction of this figure? Yes, very good. 3 by 10. 3 by 10. Means here 10 parts are there. Yes, in this figure 10 parts are there. 3 parts are shaded. So we have to write fraction form is 3 by 10. 3 out of 3 parts are out of 10. 3 parts out of 10. Next say, similarly we have to see one more figure. What is the fraction form of this figure? Shaded part of fraction form. Yes, very good. 5 by 10. 5 parts out of 10. Okay, 5 by 10. Here 5 is numerator, 10 is denominator. Here 3 parts out of 10 parts. 3 parts out of 10. Same. 15 parts out of 100. 15 parts out of 100. How can we write fraction form? Say similarly we have to say. Say children, say anyone. 15 parts out of 100. Say fraction form. Yes, very good. No, 5 by 10 before 1. But here I am asking about 15 parts out of 100. Very nice. 15 by 100. 15 by 100. Next, 32 parts out of 100. How can we write fraction form? 32 parts out of 100. Yes, 32 by 100. 32 by 100. Next, 56 parts out of 1000. How to write fraction form? Here, 56 parts out of 1000. Very good. 56 by 1000. 56 by 1000. 324 parts out of 1000. How can we write this fraction form? 350, 324 parts out of 1000. 324 parts out of 1000. Yes, very good. 324 by 1000. By 1000. See children here. 3 by 10, 5 by 10, 15 by 100, 32 by 100, 56 by 1000, next 324 by 1000. These are decimal fractions. These are decimal fractions. Which fractions are having in denominator 10, 100,000, 10,000? Okay, in which fractions are having in denominators? In which fractions are having denominators 10, 100,000, 10,000? Like that, have those fractions are called decimal fractions. Did you understand first? How can we write fraction? Which fractions are decimal fractions? In which fractions are having in denominator 10, 100,000? Those fractions are called decimal fractions. These are decimal fractions. Decimal fractions. Yes, 10,000 and lakhs. So like that also. But in this class, up to 1,000 only have. In next further classes, will come 10,000 and lakh, 10 lakhs. Like that will come. Okay. In this class, we have to learn these one only. That's why I said these one only. Okay. In which denominators, in which fractions are having denominators 10, 100,000, those fractions are called decimal fractions. Now 3 by 10. 3 by 10, we have to write this 0.3. This 0 point. Point is decimal point. 0 decimal point. Then we have to write 3. 3 by 10. 0.3. 3 tenths. 3 by 10 is 3 tenth. Tenth. T-N-T-H is tenth. 3 tenths. 3 tenths. In symbolically, we can write 0.3. We read as 0.3 and we written as here number name 3 tenths. 3 by 10. Next, say 5 by 10. 5 by 10, we have to write 0.5. 0 decimal point. Here, point I written, that is called decimal point. This is called decimal point. 0 decimal point 5. 5 tenths. 5 tenths. Next, 32 by 100. 32 by 100 is 32 100x. 32 100x. 100x. T-H-S. 100x. And we can write 0.0 decimal point 32. 0 decimal point 32. 32 100x. Next, 56. 15 by 100. 15 by 100, we have to write in decimal form 0.15. 0 is 0, point is decimal point, 0.15. 15, and we have to write here 1500x. 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 Next, 56 by 1000. 56 by 1000. We have to write in decimal form. How to write in decimal form? 0.056. 0.056. 0 decimal point 056. This is writing words 56,000. 1000. 1000. 56 thousands, not 1000. 1000. Next, 324 by 1000. 0.324. 0 decimal point 324. This is decimal form, and we have to write in words 324 thousandth. Thousandth. TH. Thousandth. 324 thousandth. $324,000. Once again, I will explain. Listen, children. First, how to write fraction form? We know already perfectly. We know how to write fraction form. Here, 3 parts out of 10. So we have to write 3 by 10. Next, similarly here, 5 parts out of 10. So 5 by 10 we written here in fraction forms. Next, 15 parts out of 100. We can write in fraction form 15 by 100. Similarly, 32 by 100 and 56 by 1000 and 324 by 1000. Here, 3 by 10, 5 by 10, 15 by 100, 32 by 100 and 56 by 1000, 324 by 1000. These fractions are called decimal fractions. Okay, decimal fractions. Why we are calling these fractions are decimal fractions? Which fractions are having in denominators 10, 100, thousands? Those fractions 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. These fractions are called decimal fractions. Okay. Now this decimal fraction 3 by 10. Here we have to write in decimal form 0 decimal point 3. 0.3 decimal point. This point is called decimal point. 0.3. We have to write here this 0.3. We read as 0.3. Next, we have to write in number name 3 tenths. 3 tenths. Next, 5 by 10 we written as 0.5. Next, 5 tenths. Next, 32 by 100, 0.32. 32 hundredth. Hundredth. Next, 15 by 100, 0.15. 15 hundredths. Okay, 15 hundredths. Next, 56 by 1000. 56 by 1000, how can we write in decimal form? 0.056. 0.056. Yes, 56 by 1000. In 1000, 3 zeros are there. So, point after we have to write it here 3 numbers, 3 digits. Okay, 0.056. Next, this is 56,000. We read as 56,000 and 0.056. Next, 324 by 1000. Here we written as 0.324 and 324,000 also. Okay. Did you understand first how to write fraction form and how to write decimal fraction form and how to write in decimal form? Okay, first write down this one. Next here, yes, 0.3 and 0.5. Next, 0.15 and 0.32. 0.056. Next, 0.324. These numbers are called decimal numbers. These numbers are called decimal numbers. Okay. Decimal numbers. Don't ask. Write down. Don't disturb the others first. Mahichan. Okay. Good. First, how to write fraction form and how what the fractions are called decimal fraction, and from decimal fraction we have to written here decimal numbers. Okay. Write down. Amma. You have an idea on decimals. What is decimals? How to write decimals? How to write decimal fraction? Did you understand, children? Okay, good. First, these fractions only. Which fractions having in denominators 1000, 10, 100? Those fractions only called decimal fractions. From decimal fraction to we can write decimal form. These are only decimal numbers. Here 3 by 10, 3 tenths. So in 10, 1 0 is this. So we have to written here point after 1 digit only, 0.3 only. Okay. Next here, 32 by 100. Here 32 by 100. In 100, 2 zeros are there. Yes, am I right, children? Here 2 zeros are there. So we can write here 0.32. Point after 2 digit numbers. 2 digits are there here. 3 is there and 2 is there. Don't read 0.32, children. Okay. Here decimal numbers. We have to read digits wise. 0.32 only. Okay. Next 15 by 100. Here also in 100, 2 zeros are there. So we have to read 0.15. Mahichandra and Bharat. God said first. 0.15. Okay, point after 2 digits. Rajesh, Pajuri Rajesh. Listen to me. 1, 5. We have to read digit wise. Don't read 15. Okay. 1, 5, 15, 100. Next 56 by 1000. In 56 by 1000 here 1000. In 1000 3 zeros are there. So we have to write point after 3 digits. 3 digits. 0.056. Okay. That is 56,000. Next 324 by 1000. 0.324. In 1000 also 3 zeros are there. So we have to write point after 3 digits. 3 digits. 3 places. Okay. That is 0.324. Don't read 324, children. 324. In general numbers, in whole numbers, we have to read 324. But in decimal numbers, we have to read digit wise, places wise. Okay. Don't read numbers. 324. Don't read like that. 0.324. 324,000. In this topic, first, in this topic, if you have any doubt, raise your hands. Okay. In this topic only. In this topic only. I am asking about only in this topic. First, what is fraction? How to write fraction? Next, from fraction to which fractions are decimal fractions? Next, from decimal fraction to how to write decimal number. How can we write the decimal numbers? Did you understand, Amma Manichandana? Okay. Next, Hamsini. Okay, Hamsini. Hamsini. Still now, if you have any doubt, ask. Raise your hand in your mobile. Okay. Next, in tomorrow class, I will explain decimal, how to write decimal number, how to write decimal number name, and uh, place value and face value. What is the face value of decimal numbers? What is the place value chart? These topics in tomorrow class I will explain. Okay. Now I hope you understand this topic. Next I am explaining about worksheet, children. Listen carefully. See children, this is your fourth class worksheet. First, here 15 days worksheet is there. Here day 1, day 2 you have to complete in 1 day only. From tomorrow onwards we will start worksheet. So those who did not collect worksheets, those members today only last day. So today you come to school, you pay your paid you any dues, online fees also you pay and collect your worksheets. And first in day 1, in day 1, write the number names from 50 to 100. 50 to 100 numbers and number names. Okay, 50 to 100 number sign number names. So you complete number sign number names. With number names also you have to complete. This is only day 1 worksheet. And in day 2 worksheet, here place value. About place value given and already one example also given for you here. Place value, the value of a digit as determined by its position in a number. 36,987. What is the place value of 3? What is the place value of 6, 9, 8, 7? Here one example also given. So you complete next remaining numbers as it is. Okay. Next number 13,297. In 13,297, what is the place value of 1? What is the place value of 3? What is the place value of 2? And 9 and 7 you have to complete in your worksheet only with pencil. You have to write with pencil, don't use pen. Okay. On 5th you up to 5th you complete and on 5th you submit your according the teachers. Okay, subject teachers. And on 6th and 7th you have exam on this worksheet. We will give result on 8th. Okay. So those who did not collect your worksheets, today you compulsory come to school and collect your worksheets, children. Okay, don't neglect. About worksheet, if you have any doubt, you call to your teachers and you call to me also. About mathematics, if you have any doubt, you call me. Some children are already collected your worksheets. Tomorrow onwards you start, children, and if you have any doubt, you call me and you ask me. Okay? Did you understand, Amma? Everybody? On decimals, in today's topic also, if you have any doubt, raise your hand. Which fractions are decimal fractions and how to write decimal number? What is decimal number? How to read decimal numbers and also. Next, take out the textbook, Amma. Okay, once you are see here, children, page number 96. In your textbook, page number 96. Page number 96 and 97 and 98. Okay, once you read, children, page number 96 and 97, you have to read all of you. You understand the topic. What I explained, that is only in your textbook have page number 96 and 97 and 98 also you have to read. And in tomorrow class, I will explain decimal expanded form, decimal short form, how to write in decimal numbers, expanded form and short form and place value chart, how to write decimal, in how to write in fraction form, how to write in number name, exercise 6.1 sums. Okay, those one only have. In tomorrow class, I will explain place value chart and expanded form and short form Then I will start exercise 6.1 bits. Okay, ma? Did you understand all of you? Okay. Still now, if you have any doubt, raise your hand. About worksheet, you call me. About mathematics in worksheet, about mathematics, if you have any doubt, you call me. Okay. Rahman, did you understand all your videos? On your videos? Rahman, Venu Yadav, Uday, Swecha, Isam Varun, Ram Charan, Sai Teja, Vignesh, Aruhi, this is not third class, fourth class, Amma. Okay. Okay, children, I hope you understand this topic. Okay. Thank you, children.